These are 5 ways you might accidentally incriminate yourself and hurt yourself in your pending criminal case. And number 5, all the calls you make when you are incarcerated in jail are recorded. What that means is that every time someone calls you or you make a call out, all of those calls are recorded and listened to by police. And if you say incriminating evidence, all of that is going to be turned over to the prosecutor and turned over to your attorney. I've been practicing for a long time, and I can't tell you how bad it feels to receive a disc or several discs of all the jail calls where I've had clients admit to things they should not have admitted to or apologize to people for what happened. Anything like that is always going to be bad. You have to always act as if someone is listening on the other end and not talk about your criminal case or the facts or anything that leads to your arrest or to your case. Now, an example I have is from years ago. This is from a colleague of mine told me that he had a client that got incarcerated. That person then called their mother because there was drugs and drug money. He was trying to have them move out of the way. What he did was he thought that if he just spoke in Spanish, that the police would not understand the Spanish and that he would be able to tell his mother in Spanish where to hide the drugs, where to move the money. Problem is that there are people who speak Spanish that are police officers and they're able to hear this, they're able to translate this. And because of that, he was forced into having to take a plea bargain to avoid his mother being prosecuted for him trying to essentially create a conspiracy for her to cover things up. Again, whether you're speaking in English or speaking in Spanish or any other language, all calls are recorded, so you never ever want to talk about anything about your case when you're on the phone.